Training accounting software, invoice section. Holotech replaced the auxiliary of receivable of accounting. Invoice credit note are exported directly to the general ledger. Reports are generated to input the key value of inventory and cost of goods. All sales reports are done in Holotech into Invoice Report by customer history group representative by customer here. We're going to include costs and detail of cost of goods. And we're going to group by group. We can see the total for men and women and the detail of cost of goods. Into administration preference, we can specify the default accounting software, format of date, and fiscal year if needed. Into list currency for Canadian dollar, we'll specify the general ledger account, like receivable, revenue, shipment, and we can specify a set of account for a specific division. Into list tax, if we select a group of tax and select individual tax and edit, we can specify the general ledger account. Into invoice mode of payment, we can specify the account. To see the affectation report, account receivable not exported, and we can see detail and summary what to be exported. Then we export not exported. If we export by date, you need to export previous month not exported before. We're going to add a summary, export not exported, and we can see the detail.